How to make Facebook completely private. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search facebook.com. Log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings and Privacy. After you've clicked on Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy Checkup. Now, in here, click on Who Can See What You Share, which is the first option. Now scroll down in here and click on Continue. After that, you'll find email address. Click on it. And make sure it's only you. If you want to make it completely private, press on Done. And repeat the same process with everything. All your profile information, like birthday, and scroll down relationship, city, friends and following, who can see your friends list, who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Then press on next. Also do same for audience section. Make sure it's only me and save it.